CSX Q031 23, now you're roughing out. 3471.
Q031 23, you said?
Yeah, I think it's 23.
Yeah. Yeah, you got limit clear, 1 and 2. Yeah, it looks like I got multiple engines on him.
Here he comes, he's switching.
Yep, 1 and 2.
CSX milepost 6.7, track 2.
Okay. You said about what? 212 for this one?
What?
You said what? 212 axles?
212. That's what I heard at White Marsh. 212.
Yeah, you see.
CSX equipment defect detector, milepost 6.7, track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 2, 3, 4. End of transmission.
Q276 Lynn charge, DA Roppin Audio.
Well, you guys got
a yellow jacket.
Not answering. Sir,
I got on my lens too. It's in the video.
758.
Oh, that sucks.
Engineer Nagy, like permission.
Oh, that's pretty funny.
East 1, I guess we're going to 3 or 1, I'm not sure, I can't see up there.
Medium approach slow.
Rapid Auto gives Q276 permission eastbound. All tracks to my limits, BAA 6.3, BAA 6.6, max speed over.
Alright, Q276-20 is your permission. All tracks, whichever way we're lined. East 1 to all tracks there at St. Denis, never choose to carry maximum top speed, BAA 66, BAA 630 over.
Good copy, Q276, have a safe day, Rapid Auto.
Alright, good copy, have a good day. Mr. Roppin Audio, Q276.
Hey, they're finally leaving. Good. Good riddance.
Yep, here comes 276.
Well, them and the track crew.
Yep. Finally.
Good riddance.
$76.20 at the 758 East 1. Speed approach slow. Thank you.
276.20.
Yep. Medium approach slow, dude.
Yep.
That's what that's
13 trailing.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 1.
Yeah, he's tiny. 4 engines with this many cars?
Of course he's tiny, dude. Of course he's tiny. He dropped off most of his cargo in Jessup.
Oh, yeah, true. I forgot about that. Yeah, he's going on track 3.
Most of his stuff is in Jessup.
Yeah.
That's what dispatch said, right? 1 to 3?
I think so.
Hello, Rapid 9.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 5. 6. End of transmission.